Friendsgiving. Hindi siya Thanksgiving, it's Friendsgiving. Na ano to? Simbaw. SA, Single Adults Activity, hosted by Simbawang Ward. Kami nangunguna rito o nag-aantay kami. Bakit parang ang ganda ko dito? Single ako. Hello, this is the Remy. Ito yung pinaka-single. Ito na kayo ha. Ito. Pero kami, single again.
Kamusta po? Nagilaba.
Nagilaba. Bawang Wars yung naghanda. It's a Friendsgiving. So, Friendsgiving. So, itong mga dessert. And ito yung ano nila.
Just ko may kawa.
And then, I don't know what is inside. Pero tingnan natin mamaya. Diba?
Kasi chicken eh. Chicken check up weekend eh. Chicken check up weekend.
Ayan yung gandido. Ayan, sige. Ganon-ganon lang. Minimal lang. Ayan, may mga Myanmaris din. Kasama kami. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung magiging flow ng activity later. Ha? Guys, nakapila na kami para kumuha ng pagkain. Guys, yung kanang sangkabunto ng pagkain namin. Kung ano-ano yan, may mga syempre salad, may mga ano na to? Potato, mashed potato, may chicken, may meatball, isa lang. Ito. Tapos na ang ano. Meron naman dito ang presentation ng mga Myanmar. Yung kinakanta nila ay yung salita nila, yung language nila. Kaya hindi maintindihan. Gumagawa sila ng card. Ayan, paggagawa sila ng card activity. Ay, sila ng ice. Just attention. 5 minutes. So, ayan, ay gumagawa sila ng cupcake, design sa cupcake, cupcake decoration. Tapos, yung gagawin nila na cupcake ay i-donate nila sa temple worker dun sa gumagawa ng temple kasi start na ng paggawa ng temple dito sa Singapore. Friendsgiving. They're doing cards.
Christmas card. Christmas card.
Is it Christmas cards?
Thank you card.
I thank you. Thank you cards. For temple worker? Yes, for the temple worker. Yan. Kita tamat. And this one is for the temple worker. They are designing. Weng. Ano kayang susulat niya?
Hindi maganda yung pink.
At ito naman guys yung aking ginawang decoration. Isa lang kasi wala na. Tapos ano na, nag-melt na rin yung ibang mga icing.
Di na ginamit ang kita tema din.
Wala. So, ayan guys. Ito ang aking giveaway. Ay, the nice. So, this is all that they made. Ayan. For the temple worker tomorrow. And
How about this one, sister? Yeah, free gift. Oh, free gift. No,
is it?
Can read the message.
What's a free gift?
We need just take one day, one person, so that enough.
Special lang ito.
Greetings only.
Wala, naiiyak na si Adam.
Hindi mo na, sa may bigyan mo na.
No, why did you? Abang lang naman dito tayo. 5 minutes lang.
5 minutes lang.
Hindi, balik ko dito. Ha? Video ko kasi i-upload ko to. Wala na akong upload sa ano ko. Wala na akong upload sa YouTube. Wala akong entry. I-entry ko to.
It's like a Christmas medley.
Okay.
We have a chair.
Happy birthday!
Abiliara. Abiliara sa Abia. Hindi, ano kaibigan niya sa ano? Sa Hong Kong. Sa Hong Kong.
Yung accent niya, yung
Nag-effort pa talaga? Sobrang effort ah.
Saan ka man? Happy. Happy birthday. Sana masaya ka dyan. Dito lang ako, dyan ka lang. Okay na. Okay.
Stay there, ha?
Stay happy, stay calm. I know you're single, I'm single.
Reaction ng anak.
Don't be shy. It's your father.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Iyak na naman ang birthday.
Birthday na iyak.
Stay happy, healthy, best. Siyempre, okay, finish. Presa, magandang.
Gutom na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy blessed birthday, Sister Evelyn. May God continue to keep you in His graces and bless you abundantly. Wishing you a happy and wonderful birthday. Love you. The power of God.
Wait, more dollars. May included.
Happy birthday! Wow! Special ah! Ang laki ng connection mo ah! Can you introduce us to them?
that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Ang laki mo all the celebrities like
Coco Martin ba yan?
Tapos na yung family.
Oh, tapos na.
Happy na birthday pa.
Ah.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. God bless you. Happy It's just a member of the Yeah. Happy birthday. She's a member. She's a very famous. She's not also some
Oh, pati pa kayo. So ito, yung mga yan, merong Daredevil egg daw, tapos merong chop suey, tapos may adobo, may Bicol Express.
Happy birthday sa handa mo today. Sabi ko, ano?
Happy birthday sa handa.
Oo, asawa ni PJ. Ang sagot ko sa kanya, bakit? But anyway, thank you so much. Brilliant. I was close. Appreciate you so much and love you. I will serve and love you. Happy birthday to September 1st. Saan sila nito? Brother din. Happy birthday. Sana we stay strong with the gospel and we work out with for our salvation, and then sana po like me, I feel the blessing of the gospel of Jesus Christ. You just have to work it out para sa iyo, para sa pamilya niyo, sa mga loved ones niyo. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I love you all. Thank you.
Love you.
Right?
Meron kaming handang with sa regalo galing sa mga members. Wow, ito dito mo na lang ito sa ito galing sa mga Thank you. Bisita kayo dapat.